Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to share YouTube videos to Facebook. Please watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on absolutely any device. Now we find any video that we want to share. Then once you've found it, click on the three dots underneath the video. Or on the video itself, click Share. Here, we select Facebook, and then it opens up. Now we have Create Post. We can write here, and there is a link to the video. Now we can write a title at the bottom. Let's say a description. We can also put it here for everyone to see or just us. And then after that, when we've created, you can see the link has already appeared, and we click Post. Now it's coming up. And now we go to our profile. And we open up our page and we scroll down. And there you go, we've been able to share the YouTube video to our Facebook profile. So that's the easy way to do it. But if you've helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you all for watching.